So this video I'll show you how to get the CM25OOD or 26OOD into remote mode, and then how to use the accessory software which comes with it. Okay, so first thing we'll do is we'll turn on the equipment. Okay. Wait a while. Okay, you'll be greeted with this screen. So in order to connect it to the PC, we need to move it into remote mode. To do so, we will go to previous over here. Okay, and we'll move to menu, and now we'll select remote right on top. Okay, and then please make sure that you have already connected the RS-232 cable to this slot before and connected the other end to the PC. Okay, now we'll go to remote, and it says remote RS-232 right on top over here. So the next thing we will do would be to open up the software. So I already have the accessory software for CM26OOD installed over here. I will click on this. I've known that my COM port is at 2. In order to do so, you can right click on the Windows logo, go to Device Manager, okay, and over here you can see that I have a COM port set to 2 for this equipment. So I'll move this to COM port 2. I click OK. Next thing I would like to do is to select this output destination either to a text file or Excel spreadsheet. Okay. Since I do not have an Excel spreadsheet open right now, I will click New. If you have an Excel spreadsheet open, it will be listed over here. If you already have another one that is saved, you can click Open and search from the files over here. But since I don't have one, I'll click New. Okay. So here you can see that I have a new Excel spreadsheet open up at the back, and it says Book 1 Sheet 1. So I will click on Sheet 1 and I click Select. Okay. I'll close this. Okay. Back in the accessory software, under Operate, I will click Calibrate Instrument. Okay. So you can go through the calibration process. So for example, the 0 calibration. And let me do the white calibration. So I will click OK on the white. I've placed the equipment back on the white calibration tile, and I will click Perform white calibration. Okay. Okay, done. So next thing I could do is I could just click the word measure over here. It will ask for name and comment. I can choose to ignore this. Yeah, so it's transferring the data. Takes some time for the first measurement because it needs to load up a lot of cells. Yeah. So let me make my Excel big. So it actually has given the data. So the top one will be for SCI data, the bottom one for SCE data. If you want to streamline the data, you could actually go back to the software and click Tools. Under instrument type, you could actually change it whether you only want SCI or SCE or both, or you can also change this MAV to SAV. On data type setting, you have a choice of spectral and LAB. So if you want to have spectral data from 360 to I think it's 780 for this software. Yeah, 360 to 740 nanometers of data, then you will click on you want spectral. If you want LAB data, then you will select LAB, and you have to input your condition whether it's D65, C illuminant, A illuminant, and the observers. For this. Next option, you have auto naming. So since when I click measure over here, it asks me for the name. Okay. If I want it to be auto name, so I click auto naming, sample for example, and then maybe I put a hash key over here, and I start from sample number 1, for example, and I click use auto naming. So when I click measure next, it will not prompt me for the name and comment. It will immediately take measurement and okay, it's updating the measurement. It takes a bit of a while to transfer. Yeah. So now it's called sample hash underscore 01. So depends how you set your sample naming become. And the last item you have here is items to transfer. So you can choose to transfer the number, you can choose to transfer the, if you want the name, you want the date and time. So this is just some settings that you can do. Apart from that, you can also click a text file. So it just comes up another pop-up window here, and when you click measure, okay, so transferring to a text file is so much faster than Excel. And later on, what you could do is also just select all, right click, copy, and go back to Excel and paste it. It's also another option if you find that this method is of transferring directly to Excel is slow. You can also save this text file as a CSV file, and you can open CSV files in Excel. So this is a very simple way how to use this software. If you have any questions, please let me know. That's all from me. Thanks.